Well guys, we're back down the harbour. This is a Saturday, they're meant to be the worst day. And one rubber snubber's already snapped, thankfully not on mine. Good day folks, a good day. Hi guys, I'd just like to say a quick hello to some of my subscribers, my good friend Alabama Smokey Wilson and his beautiful wife Melissa. Alright, thanks for watching all the videos guys, really appreciate your time and I hope you're still enjoying these videos, got lots more to come. And a quick hello to Tamas Pal and also Kenneth Ranji. Alright, so thanks for coming on board guys, more videos on the way, let's rock. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Good to have you on board guys. Let's rock.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Hi guys, hope you're all okay and rocking and boating and enjoying life out on the water. Anyway, I'm down at the harbour right now because tomorrow we're expecting 8-foot waves. Check it out. So I've come down a day before, approximately 24 hours before, just to see how things are looking. It's building up now, the storm. We've had some rain, which is quite unusual in September in creeks. Everybody's here is on holiday, so they're all getting a bit wet. But anyway, I thought I'd just check a few things out. So I'm just going to give you an idea of what, it's a 4x4 at the moment. And the storm is on its way, but the rubber snubbers are looking quite good. Check it out. There we go guys. It's not too bad, they're dancing a bit, but other than that they're okay. Some big rollers coming in, so the surfers will be happy. And you can also see how effective the fenders are as well guys. Everything looks okay, just dancing a lot. But of course the worst day is tomorrow, Saturday. Ring ring goes the bell guys. Yep, you heard that loud and clear. Okay guys, another thing that's not really mentioned on YouTube is rope. Okay, I have lots of different ropes. I must have about 20 different types of rope. Waves are coming in now guys. Guys, it's 9:10 in the evening, Friday evening, and the boats are dancing quite a lot. Some real good swells coming into the harbour now. Well guys, we're back down the harbour. This is a Saturday, they're meant to be the worst day. And one rubber snubber's already snapped, thankfully not on mine. It's on this other boat, this other guy's boat. You can see how useful fenders are. In fact, I don't know what it'd be like without them. Them rollers coming in. The swell. Rubber snubbers have survived the night. Well, mine have anyway. This guy's just snapped right just there. Gone straight through. Thank the Lord for fenders. I'd rather have a good grip on the water than risk the waves turning me over like that. Are you having a good fun? Yeah.
And I promised her I was going to. So here I am.
Hey, Capitan! Capitan!
Yeah.
Beautiful, mate. Bravo, bravo.
Hello! Induxie!
Okay, guys, so what we've got here, we've got Raoul and Gabrielle from Dusseldorf. Are you having a good time, guys?
Awesome.
Are you enjoying it, yeah?
Fantastic.
Bravo. And we've got old Rich from New Zealand.
Yeah.
You having a good one, buddy?
Absolutely fabulous.
Awesome. And we've got young Michael.
Local.
Local.
Oh,
And we've got Linda Lewis.
Yeah, loving
No,
it.
we've had a lovely time. So we've just been doing a bit of diving and snorkeling rather, and watching the seagulls. Seagulls own this island, and it's a lovely little island. We've got a little church up there and the white speck, and we've got a older hut there, and that's Almerida over there, and it's just an absolutely gorgeous spot, especially to watch the sun go down. It's beautiful sunsets from here. So there we go, guys. Rock and roll. Okay, Mr. Octopus, nice to see you. To see you, nice.
Well, isn't it?
There you go. That's sea fishing for you, folks. I just don't want to drop my phone. There you go, soldier. Where you go? There he goes. Hello, Dave.
Again, it is too. Ocean waves.
Ocean waves. There we are.
Here we go.
Hey, does it get much better, Dave?
Harbour?
Look at.
Harbour, yeah. Harbour being best.
Cheers, Yamas, everybody. Yamas, 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 mate. Yamas, Dave.
Yamas.
Hey, hey. Yamas, everyone. Rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
Hey! And you guys, come on! Rock and roll! What a beautiful little mooring this is. And now we're going to visit Lucy in her home. Yes, here we are. Up on the bay and through the bushes. Oh, do you know, don't buy Chinese footwear because they don't work. See? Oh God. Although that my foot's got bigger. I didn't know, I think feet grow that big, do they? Not when you're 57 nearly anyway. Look at that, eh? How beautiful. Oh. Yes. Here we are. Alright, Dave. There's the old vodka boat. Isn't this a beautiful spot, Dave?
It's absolutely gorgeous.
You still got his bloody hat on?
Yeah.
Hey, oh, right, what a fine figure of a young man. Oh, do you know, these bloody shoes, I'll tell you honestly, don't buy anything from China. Especially if £2 a pair. There we are, look. How lovely is that?
Well, I'm so tired of crying.